Watch no Gaza Nation, 10-star leave him intro. Watch out, big fat something up in her belly and swell. She watch me two balls, them a swing like bell. A back way me a stab it out for an hour. And her friend want a back shot as well. But why you and Michelle, cause you not deep like well. And come here make me slam you like a jail cell. Remember we slapping at your parents' house. And your sister said if she not get she a go tell. Bumbo clap me full of eye like shell. Me love fornicate but me nah go at. What? Yo, right about now, you know. You don't know why 10-star leave him intro. And after spit lyrics, I want to know the reason why the riot between Vendetta and Gaza can't stop. And a Batty wash put Gaza on top. What? Hear me, man? Yo, I don't know, you know, how some blogger go like them not see or them not understand what go on. Because Alkaline fan page or a film page, I don't know which one of them. But all I know, them come out and I tell bloggers, I send up bloggers underneath them mother. How matter? No must him look at cheerleaders them were calling name. No bloggers have begged about them nothing. It look like him never suck for him mother, you know. And that's why, you know, all know him probably not have a youth, you know, because him have him sperms count low. You see what I deal with? Low. Doctor say, you know, breast good for look a baby, you know, much less big man. And I don't want a man to laugh and feel like a gimmick thing. Go ask the big man them why them like suck breasts like that. Then, if you feel like you can challenge me on my argument, I think a gimmick thing I deal with. Yo, it look like a Batty wash him a suck all along, you know. You saw me I deal with. That's why him not have no youth, you know. You can't violate the man them but you send the man them up underneath them mother like the man them a beg you know. The blogger them not independent from them a do them numbers and a do them thing on YouTube. It no matter if you're rich or poor, man live comfortable said way. I want me to tell you about the respect of it where you feel like. You don't understand what I do, you know. Because I don't see, you know, no blogger run out a soft floor, the only man I see run out and I talk about it, that it even shock me. Because I not normally soft floor, no go them way there. And I say, well then they told them man, they told me, see the man, like him put all him character on the line, because the man go out of the box, because the man really have to go hard, but because a lollipop thing, them go on with. You see what I deal with? Yo, right now, you know, you have to big up Massacre, you know, because right now, you know, Massacre drop a song, you know, and that I don't can do, you know. Him not have the transition. Him not have them transition there. One way him can DJ. You see what I deal with? Massacre a versatile artist. You know what I mean? A big song him drop. And a joke thing. You see what I deal with? So all you see them are 8, you know. Them now put out no work and not talk about Vibes Cartel, bad mind them because they can't come out the road, come do what them a do. I want to know what them doing. What them a do out the road? Nobody see what them a do? No magla them. No say magla them. I want to know what them a do out the road. For somebody bad mind them up. A clown in them, you know, and some of them are informer in the Gaza nation. I mean, I want to play with them and I laugh up all with some boy we are calling on some calling program and I talk about him a Gaza himself, and then him want to discriminate against Gaza. When you hear them boy up on call show and run them off, you know, and tell the call show host and make them boy they disappear, you know. I come call Gaza and you know, because that them I don't want to go around and I make things look contrary, you know. When I can't defeat the world boss when it comes on to musically, you know. And that is something we want to know, you know. So right now, when I start trace and I throw a word like a girl, you know. You don't want to run the place no more, you know. After you try and fail, you know. How much you try and fail? And the general, you know, the 10-star one I represent in Gaza nation, and I know it going to represent.